Checkweighing measurement, hygiene, and the food industry. In today's global market, maintaining a pristine environment is absolutely critical to the success of food manufacturers. Unhygienic conditions within food manufacturing plants can have a potentially catastrophic impact on public health. Not to mention the public relations and revenue impact on the company in question. It is not surprising, therefore, that increased consumer awareness and demand has seen safety standards become increasingly rigorous. It is vital that companies use weighing equipment for the food industry that comply with best practices and meet strict legislative requirements. On a food production line, fast and accurate checkweighing is vital to a company's bottom line. The visibility of weighing data and statistics can help maximize performance and profitability. But the equipment chosen must meet stringent design requirements when it comes to construction and ease of cleaning. Wash-down capability. Equipment used in the food processing industry must be able to withstand rigorous wash-down procedures. Designed specifically to kill microorganisms and bacteria, this heavy-duty cleaning process typically uses high-temperature, high-pressure jet sprays and detergents. The combination of water, chemicals, high pressures and temperatures used in this cleaning process can prove fatal for electronic circuits and instrumentation. The Ingress Protection rating system is an internationally recognized scale that relates to proven protection against environmental factors such as liquids and solids. A product with the highest rating available, IP69K, offers complete assurance that it has been subjected to a challenging set of tests. To ensure protection against penetration of high-pressure, high-temperature water and dust particles, making it ideal for use in conditions where equipment must be carefully sanitized. Resistant to extremes of temperature. In the food industry, equipment may be subject to rapid temperature change, whether due to operating conditions or wash-down procedures. Extremes of temperature inside and outside the enclosure can result in expansion and contraction of gases, which in turn can lead to moisture and humidity becoming trapped inside. When selecting a piece of weighing equipment for use in the food industry, ensure that the manufacturer has not only recognized the challenges posed by this stringent environment, but also risen to them by incorporating design elements into the structure of the product that will counter issues such as humidity and condensation. Overall design and construction. Checkweighers are often used to weigh unpacked, raw foods such as meat and dairy. It is vital that areas of a checkweigher that come into contact with food are constructed of a suitable non-toxic material, which is unlikely to break or fracture. Connections, rivets, screws, and dead spaces must be minimized in order to provide an easy-to-clean surface and reduce the possibility of food becoming trapped and posing a hygiene risk. Food contact areas, using the right materials. Stainless steel is undoubtedly the material of choice for the construction of food processing equipment. Weighing equipment should be no exception. Its durability, resistance to corrosion, non-absorbent finish, tolerance to extremes of temperature, and the fact that there is no reaction between the metal and food, makes it an obvious choice. Eliminating bug and food trap areas. Scale designs should, where possible, avoid flat horizontal areas to stop water from collecting. If in doubt, look for accreditation. The National Sanitation Foundation (NSF) is an independent, not-for-profit, global public health and safety organization, which certifies products worldwide and sets internationally recognized standards for food, water and consumer goods. Products with NSF certification have been independently tested and verified to ensure that all public health concerns related to the design, operation, and cleaning of the equipment have been addressed. Safeguarding your business. Investing in a new check-weighing digital scale is all about maintaining a high level of quality and your company's overall profitability. Underweight packages can create unhappy customers, while overweight packages contribute to costly giveaways. When it comes to the food industry, safeguarding quality, profit and reputation is very important. For more assistance on choosing the proper food service scales for your business, please contact Central Carolina Scale by calling 919-776-7737 or visiting our website, centralcarolinascale.com.